Hi guys, welcome back my new English channel, English LLS. So by the way, I am Pritam and you can know English LLS. By the way, I am supposed to you and everyone 50Animals name. By the way, I hope you are very good and very delight and very excited for this video. By the way, tomorrow is special day for Bengali festival, Jamai Sosti, and I don't know if you know this festival. I don't know if you saw this video by any state and any other state. So please comment me by the state. So by the way, I'm supposed to you and everyone 15 animals name. So okay, so start this video. By the way, I'm discuss to you some animals name and some short sentences. Okay, so start. Number 1, dog. The dog bark loudly, and this bark it parts means ঘেঘুর করা মানে loudly আর কি. Number 2, cat. The cat now sleeps. Cow gives milk. Goat. The goat eats grass. Sheep. The sheep is white. Horse. The horse runs fast. Elephant. The elephant is very big. Tiger. The tiger is strong. Lion. The lion roars loudly. And this word roars mean loudly আর কি. Monkey. The monkey camels trees. Deer. The deer run fast. Bear. The bear like fish. Fox. The fox is clever. And wolf. The wolf live in forest. Rabbit. Rabbit jump every time. Camel. Camel mean wood. The camel lives in desert. Desert mean মরুভূমি. Zebra. The zebra is set piece. The zebra has strips. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Neck means gola. Then kangaroo. Kangaroo jump high. Panda. Panda eats bamboo. Leopard. Leopard means cheetah. Leopard run fast, very fast. Hyena. The hyena hawks loudly. Squirrel. The squirrel climbs trees. Climbs means otha. And hyena laughs loudly. Laughs means হাসে আর কি. Rat. The rat is small. And I write this other sentence like the rat hides quickly. Okay, hides means লুকায়. Mouse. Mouse run fast. Bat. The bat hangs upside down. Hangs means ঝুলে থাকা. Hangs upside down. Frog. The frog lives near ponds. Tortoise. The tortoise carries its shell. Snake. Snake moves silently. Crocodile. Crocodile rests by the river. Lizard. Lizard means টিকটিকি. The lizard carries insects. Insects mean পোকামাকড়. The lizard carries insects. Whale. The whale lives in oceans. Dolphin. The dolphin jump above water. জলের উপরে. So you can write these words and sentence and practice every day, okay? And then snake. The snake swims swiftly. Shark. The shark swims swiftly. Okay. Octopus. The octopus change her color. It's reality. Crab. Crab means kankra. The crab lives near the sea. Ant. The ant carries food. Carries mean মানে ধরে থাকা. Carry করা. Bee. The bee flies around. Butterfly. The butterfly sits on flowers. Sit means বসা. Spider. The spider catches insects. Insects mean পোকামাকড়. Catches mean catch করা. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck floats on water. Cock. Chicken meat is so sweetly. Som. Rajhans. The som is beautiful. Crow. Crow sits on the tree. Crow মানে কাক. Eagle. Eagle has sharp eyes. Sharp means তীক্ষ্ণ. Wool. The wool sits during the day মানে দিনে আর কি। The owl sleeps during the day, ঘুমায় দিনে। Peacock is beautiful. By the way, this is my first video, and you can saw this and write your notebook, okay, and practice every day. Okay, so this is my first video. I hope you are very good. So see you next time. Nice to meet you. And tomorrow I will share this short video. Okay.